standing on top of the Croton Dam. The original Croton Dam was built in the 1800s, and it was built to supply New York City. We're about, I think, 30 miles north of New York City here. So we're standing on top of New York City's water supply. The dam is tall, as you can see from that side. Looks like they've got the flim-flam gerrymander open to 75%. And it's had the effect of lowering the water on the lake. And what we see here, you actually don't have a flow over the dam, which kind of ruins the Insta-shot.
Ah, damn shame.
Damn shame.
It's hot. Ow. Oh, I got prickly in my Ow.
Oh man!
How many you got? Oh, look at that.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Should be cool, right?
You can't
There's nothing, right?
Sand.